that you've never seen, something that you've never been. Oh, better wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. She sent me up to work, 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 work. See me do my dirt, ta, 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 ta.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rocksy, and I am back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you're hitting that bell so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you this wig review on this hair that was sent to me from Ft.Samsbeauty.com. It is a sensational unit. Y'all know I love sensational. But it is in the style Celeste, and I have it in the color 1B. So here is what the stock card looks like. I haven't taken it out just yet. So I've had this unit for a couple of weeks, so I'm actually a little late in doing this, but I figured I just had to get it done. I've been so busy with just a lot of stuff, and my birthday had came up, so yeah, I've just been doing a lot of stuff, y'all. So your girl is finally 29 years old. All right, the big 29. So I'm gonna be 30 next year. Oh my God, so nerve-wracking. But yeah, this year I didn't really care about doing much of anything for my birthday, y'all. I just wanted to go see some animals. I know that's random, but that's what I wanted to do. All right, so here we go. Let me show you guys this unit. So here she is out of the packaging. She's a little bit on the shinier side. I don't know, maybe that's just me looking at it, but she looks a little bit on the shinier side. It is a softer lace. I really like that. So it's your standard construction. You have 2 clips in the front. You have 1 clip in the back with your adjustable straps. This is how much lace you actually get with the unit. So it's just in the front, just to do enough of, you know, whatever you want to do with this unit. It looks like there's a little bit of baby hairs. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to style this unit just yet. But yeah, so she looks really pretty though. I like the color and everything. So I'm thoroughly impressed with the, like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but check this out. For a synthetic unit though, I'm thoroughly impressed with the hairline on this unit. All right, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the lace, and we're gonna jump right into this review, and I hope you guys enjoy. guys, so this is the final look right here. Definitely let me know what you guys think. I'm absolutely in love with this unit. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So just a couple things that I do have to say about this hair. Like, number one, for a synthetic unit, like, this hair is bombdiggity.com. Like, the texture, it doesn't have that like synthetic-y feel, if that makes any sense whatsoever. I didn't receive much shedding with this unit at all. And y'all, can we just take a second to admire the parting space on this baby? Like, look at this. Look how natural the parting space looks, and then just look at the hairline itself. It looks so freaking natural. I did not even apply makeup to the parting space, so as you guys can see, let me get closer for you guys so y'all can see that. I didn't apply any type of makeup to the parting space whatsoever. If you want to get this type of look, you just have to make sure that your stocking cap is like a brownish or tannish type color. So what I did when I first put the unit on, like the lace, it is a little bit on the lighter side. So what I went ahead and did was I got my little powder, my makeup powder here, and then I got this little makeup brush, and then I literally just applied it all throughout the lace in the front, because it was just so much lighter than my skin tone. So that's basically how I went ahead and darkened the lace. Okay, super easy. But other than that, you guys, yeah, that's what I did to darken the lace. So if you want to put this up, you definitely could. I didn't decide to do that. I just wanted to see how it looked. But this is where it comes down to. So the unit is pretty long. It's on the longer side, all right? So there you have it. And I honestly feel like this is going to be my wig for the week. And I think she retails under $40. I'm not quite sure. I'll be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. Once again, I did receive this here from Ft.Samsbeauty.com. It is the Celeste Wig. All right, I'll be leaving the link down in the information box below. If you guys find that it is out of stock, all you have to do is literally just go on Google, type in Celeste Wig, and look for this, like, look for the stock card picture. So here's what the stock card picture looks like. You just look for that picture, and then you should be able to find it on some of the website. If you can't find it on Sam's Beauty, if it's out of stock, I know sometimes they are out of stock when you go to look for a wig or what have you. But yeah, I felt like I should have tried this in a different color, but nonetheless, it is still very gorgeous, very pretty. So yeah, y'all let me know what you think about this unit right here. But I'm absolutely in love with it. I think it looks super natural. Yeah, I'm impressed. I really am impressed. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys for today. Definitely stay tuned, because I'll be back with more videos pretty soon. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.